Hey everyone, it's Mao. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make these daisy flower earrings with polymer clay. So, I have made this beer before, and I would like to try them with a different base color today. I'm using Carney Translucent mixed with yellow alcohol ink, Sculpey Premo. I'm using these tools, depth guide and a cutter, and this foam mat. So for this yellow clay, I used Carney Translucent and Ranger alcohol ink. I mixed about 5 grams of carneyed clay and 1 drop of alcohol ink. Now I'm rolling out my base layer to 2mm thickness. I use this cutter, and I always dust some corn flour on the cutter. Here, I'm only pushing the cutter really slightly to get the outline. Now let's start making petals. I pick tiny amount of white clay and roll it between my thumb and index fingers to get the shape like this. You can also roll out the clay into a rope and cut same size small pieces. Now I'm going to shape them using the metal ball tool. I give them 2 strokes from the center to both ends. Your clay needs to be nice and smooth. Make sure it's well conditioned, but not too soft. Next, I use this needle tool to place petals on the base clay. I pick up the petal like this. I will place the tip of the needle on the base clay, with the needle slightly angled, pushing down the tip of the needle gently, then pull it off from the base clay. I'm leaving some room in the center. I think an easy way to get a nice circle is to think this like a clock. Put 2 petals at 1 and 3 o'clock, then put another one between those 2. I use total 8 petals for 1 daisy flower. I have finished placing all the petals. Now I will be adding the center part using this orange clay and the needle tool. So I fluff up the clay like this. Then I place it on the center of the daisy. Poke a few times to get some texture and to make it stick to the base. Here you go, I made a pretty daisy pattern. Now I'm going to cut the clay. Again, put some corn flour on the cutter. I have to make sure I am placing the cutter exactly on the outlines. I'm making drill holes before baking using the needle tool. Hey, this is what it looks like after baking. Base color seems to change quite a lot because it's translucent clay. It is pretty, but too yellow than I wanted, and I also snapped one with the petals because I tried to handle the piece straight out of the oven, which is very silly of me. So I actually made another pair using less alcohol ink and a bigger cutter. I probably used 1 drop of alcohol ink to about 35 grams of translucent clay. I'm showing you how much color changed before and after the bake. Now I will be finishing these pieces. I use this craft knife to get rid of the fringes on the sides. Then I use pure acetone to clean the back and the sides. Lastly, I use this hand drill to make holes for jump rings. You can see the holes that I made before the bake. I simply drill on that hole. And that's all. Now all I need is to assemble them with earring findings. Let's see how these turned out. Ta-da! I love this pastel yellow, and you can see it's translucent when light hits. I actually managed to fix the petal and put findings to these ones too. This yellow just reminds me of lemon custard. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and comment so I'll get motivated to make more tutorials. Thank you for watching. Bye!